In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate transactions fast. If you've ever opened your bank feed and noticed the same transaction showing up more than once, you know how quickly things can get messy. Duplicates can throw off your reports, inflate your income or expenses, and just generally make it harder to trust your numbers. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a quick and reliable way to clean them up. First, head over to the area where your bank feed transactions come in and look for the For Review tab. This is usually where new or uncategorized bank transactions appear before they're added to your books. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right account if you have more than one bank or card connected. The For Review tab is your staging area, and it's where we'll identify and select those duplicate entries. Next, scan through the list and select all the duplicate transactions you want to remove. You can usually do this by checking the box next to each transaction. To avoid deleting anything important by mistake, compare the date, description, and amount carefully. Duplicates often have identical information, and sometimes you'll see the same payment recorded both as a bank feed entry and as a manually entered transaction. If you're not sure about a particular item, it's better to leave it unchecked for now and come back to it later. Once you've selected all the duplicates, look for an option called Batch Actions or something similar that lets you apply a change to multiple transactions at once. Open that menu and choose Exclude. Excluding these transactions removes them from the main For Review list so they don't get added to your books, but they're not gone forever yet. Think of Exclude as a safe holding area where they're out of your way, but still recoverable if you realize you made a mistake. Now, to permanently remove them, go over to the Excluded tab. This tab shows everything you've set aside from your bank feed. Review the list one more time to confirm that these really are duplicates you don't need. Then, select those same transactions again. After they're selected, look for the option to delete. Choose Delete to permanently remove them from the system. Once deleted, those duplicates won't affect your reconciliations, reports, or account balances. It's a simple routine, but doing this regularly keeps your books cleaner, makes reconciliations smoother, and helps ensure your financial data is accurate and easy to trust.